for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.